to my channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, I thank you so much for coming back. If I put the intro on this video, you've probably already heard that, but it's the truth. I am thankful for you for coming back, and I do like to welcome anyone who is checking out my channel for the first time. I have been challenged by Black Lacquer here on YouTube to participate in the Video Every Day in April challenge, and I've accepted it. This is going to be my first video, just letting you know that my plan is to do a video every day. I'm not sure if it's going to be makeup related or not. I probably will come on and talk. I may do some hauls. I have no idea, but I've accepted that challenge, and this year I am determined to do it. So help a sister out. Give me some help me come up with some content for these next 30 days. If you have some questions, makeup related or not, if you have a topic that you'd like to see me discuss, leave it down in the comment section. I'm going to do my best to address it, and we'll get these 30 days knocked out. Hopefully you guys will subscribe if you're new. Hopefully if you've already subscribed, you'll turn on your notifications so you don't miss any of these videos that I do every day in April. You see, I'm committing to it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow in video number 2.